The 1962 Chrysler 300 Sport Convertible. One of the first ones made, is quite a low serial number. That is a red leather interior, new from Gary Gore's. Well, not new, but Gary Gore's made it new and I had it installed. Presently on wire wheels. They don't go with it, of course. That's not correct. 413. Pressure comes up. I have run it a little bit today. Temps coming up. Ammeter charging. It's a new gas tank with that lousy sender in it, so the gas tank doesn't work well. Everything on the dashboard gleams. 7-button radio. I don't know if it works. Horn works. Go for a ride. Transmission shifts fast and quick. Very good brakes. Stops nice and true. Here we are in the shade. I think the picture may come out a little better. Signals, horn, hear the high fan, low fan, defroster, the air, buttons all work nice and smooth. Hot and cold cable also works nice. My cameras seem to have pretty good trouble photographing red in sunlight. They get confused and it comes out pink, but this is the correct red for 62. And you can see from the paint code, it is right. There's your VIN. Power seat. back seat. Red leather. These are new old stock taillight bezels. Just about impossible to find. And new old stock lenses as well. And the backups. Of course, the chrome's been done. And here's your trunk. Of course, the correct 62 would have a rubber mat. Those are not available. So we have a carpet instead. We'll have to figure something for a spare tire. And restored jack handle. There's your spare tire hold down. And then the bumper jack and the bumper jack base. And the bumper jack shaft. Pretty much no effort has been spared in the restoration of this car. There you go. And in case you were wondering, there she is with the top down. I haven't snapped the boot. It's brand new. It's a little tight. But there you go. Top goes down. All the windows go down. It's a convertible.